This is Vicki David from the Windows Club. Resetting Windows Update components usually fixes any error associated with the Windows Update process. However, executing each command through Command Prompt is tedious. So, you can use a tool named Reset Windows Update to reset Windows Update components. This tool can be downloaded from a link on the original article. The link redirects to the tool on GitHub. Click on Code. Select Download ZIP. Go to the folder in which this file has been downloaded. Right-click on the downloaded ZIP file. Select Extract All. Click on Extract again. Open the folder for the tool. Double-click on the Reset WUENG file to launch the tool. Hit any key on your keyboard to reset Windows Update components. Isn't this easy and interesting? If you have any doubts, please go to the original article on the Windows Club and write your query. We will surely answer it. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.